In today's hyper-competitive e-commerce landscape, the brands that succeed are the ones making fast, data-driven decisions. But with data scattered across platforms like Shopify, Meta Ads, Google Analytics, and Klaviyo, gaining clear insights can feel impossible. That's where Triple Whale steps in. Triple Whale is an all-in-one e-commerce analytics, attribution, and decision-making platform built specifically for DTC brands. It brings together your marketing, sales, and customer data into a unified dashboard, giving you clarity, confidence, and control over your business. Whether you're a founder, marketer, or operator, Triple Whale makes it easy to see what's working, what's not, and where to invest next. In this video, we'll break down the top features, benefits, and reasons why Triple Whale is a must-have tool for scaling your e-commerce brand in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the real-time e-commerce dashboard. Triple Whale offers a centralized, real-time dashboard that gives you a full view of your store's performance, tracking revenue, ROAS, CAC, AOV, and ad spend across channels like Facebook, Google, TikTok, and more. You can filter by date ranges, campaigns, product types, and UTM tags to get granular with your data. This saves time by eliminating manual reporting and gain instant insights that empower smarter daily decisions. Another key feature is the first party attribution engine. In a post iOS 14 world where third party tracking is less reliable, Triple Whale's first party attribution model ensures you're getting the most accurate picture of which channels and campaigns are truly driving sales. It uses a combination of UTM tracking, pixel data, and purchase behavior to assign credit more reliably. You can allocate your ad budget confidently by understanding exactly which campaigns and platforms are driving real ROI. Another key feature is the pixel and server side tracking. Triple Whale's proprietary triple pixel captures rich event data and supports server side tracking to combat data loss. Even if users block cookies or use private browsing, you still get deeper attribution and behavioral insights. This ensures accurate conversion tracking even in privacy restricted environments, giving you a fuller view of customer interactions. Another key feature is the profitability and financial metrics. Beyond just revenue, Triple Whale factors in product costs, shipping fees, payment processor fees, and discount codes to show you your actual profit margins. You can create custom metrics and see your real time profit in relation to ad spend and fulfillment. You can make growth decisions based on true profit, not just top line revenue, to scale your business sustainably. Another key feature is the customer cohort analysis. Triple Whale allows you to analyze customer cohorts based on acquisition source, first product purchased, or specific campaigns. You can then track their lifetime value, repeat purchase behavior, and churn over time. You can identify your most valuable customer segments and tailor your retention and upsell strategies accordingly. Another key feature is the creative performance insights. Instead of just showing campaign level data, Triple Whale pulls in ad creatives from platforms like Meta and TikTok, allowing you to compare the performance of different headlines, visuals, and video formats. See which creatives are driving the most conversions at the lowest costs. This optimizes your ad creative strategy by doubling down on what works and cutting out what doesn't without the guesswork. So, why is Triple Whale a great choice? Triple Whale is more than just an analytics platform, it's a growth engine for DTC brands. It combines accurate attribution, deep performance insights, and easy to digest dashboards so founders and marketers can act fast, scale confidently, and stop wasting time on disconnected data. The interface is built with clarity in mind, and the onboarding experience is seamless, even for teams without a dedicated data analyst. What makes Triple Whale stand out is how it takes complex data and transform it into clear, actionable insights that actually drive decisions. Its growing community and strong support resources also make it easier to stay ahead of best practices and industry trends. With constant feature updates, educational webinars, and an engaged user base, Triple Whale has become more than a tool. It's a central hub for performance minded e commerce operators. So, if you're serious about scaling your e commerce business in 2025, Triple Whale is one of the most powerful platforms you can invest in. Rather than relying on fragmented tools and spreadsheets, Triple Whale brings all your metrics into one place, helping you make faster, smarter decisions that fuel growth. From understanding where your best customers come from to knowing which ads are actually profitable, Triple Whale delivers the visibility and clarity modern brands need. So start using Triple Whale today and gain the clarity and confidence to take your e commerce brand to the next level. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.